First of all, congratulations to you, sir. I'm really intrigued by the trailer. बहुत मज़ा आया देखकर. First thing first, why Manoj sir for Inspector Zende and why Jim sir for Charles Sobraj name changed?
Karl Bhojraj,
Karl
Inspector
Bhojraj.
Zende. Why not? I mean, we were always looking for an actor who can take the shoulder of the entire film with him and also be relatable, क्योंकि इंस्पेक्टर झेंडे का जो किरदार है वो बहुत relatable है. And when we went to Netflix with the film, the mutual choice, the unanimous name that came from them and from us was Mr. Bajpayee. And then we went to him, and thankfully he agreed to do the role. And by that time we were so focused on Inspector Zende that I at least had not thought that if we get our Inspector Zende, who is going to play Karl. But when finally that bridge came, कि अब Karl कौन है? So Om, actually, our producer Om Raut, he suggested the name of Jim Sarbh, and I have seen his performances in Neeraja, in Padmavat, in Sanju, in Rocket Boys, and I was like, okay, bang on, we should meet him, and if he decides to come on board, it will be like a fantastic, face-off between Manoj sir and Jim, because two great actors coming together, and thankfully, Jim also came on board. So, yeah, that's how it happened.
So here we can see that Inspector Zhende's name, it's as it is, like what it was there in official records.
Yeah.
But Charles Sobraj has been changed to Karl Bhojraj.
We know someone called Karl Bhojraj. We don't know anybody called Charles Sobraj.
अभी के लिए यही है.
See, we are making a film on Inspector Zende. And we are making a film on a criminal that he caught. Of course, we have named him Karl Bhojraj. He's based on a person in real life. But Inspector Zende, we have kept the actual name, Madhukar Bapurao Zende, the full name, because we were lucky enough to get in touch with the real man, the real Inspector Zende, and he very kindly gave his consent to use his name to make a film on this adventure that he had in his real life. So that is why Inspector Zende.
Manoj sir, I read somewhere, मुझे याद नहीं है, that generally you are not offered roles of rich man. अमीर लोगों के रोल आपको ऑफर नहीं होते, मिडिल क्लास टाइप के रोल ऑफर होते हैं. तो मिडिल क्लास वकील, मिडिल क्लास पुलिस ऑफिसर, स्पाई, ऑल दीज, आपने अभी रिसेंटली कुछ ऐसा एस्पायर कर रहे हैं कि टू शिफ्ट फ्रॉम these kind of roles and do some romantic roles or something like that?
देखिए, the class is something that you don't look for. You look for good characters and good films. It's not you are not considering the class that he comes from.
He's played Raja Sahab in Zubeda.
Yeah, I have played in Zubeda. So what more? That somewhere that work has established, even in Vizera, that these are the works I established that I can actually work in all kind of classes. I can, but I personally enjoy doing these roles. I enjoy playing common people because I relate to them immediately. Each and every character that I read, I feel that somewhere I have seen him. Somewhere I have seen him in my life, or somewhere I have seen him in some documentary. I have seen him in my initial days in Mumbai, traveling in a train. See what happens that when we were doing theatre, the observation was a big exercise for all of us. And once I spoke to one director, and I said, we can't be observing all the time because people will eventually beat us up. Why are you looking at me? He said, he made it very easy. He said that, actor is someone who is so, observation is so much part of his personality that even if he's not looking at that guy, he is observing him. So make it part of your personality. So we have, all of us actors are like that. We are observers of our own life. We are observers of the people's life or what's happening in the society. So जब भी कोई कैरेक्टर आता है तो मुझे लगता है इसको मैंने देखा हुआ है या इसकी जो प्रॉब्लम है ना कहीं बहुत रिलेटेबल है, इससे मैं रिलेट कर पा रहा हूँ, तो उनको प्ले करने में मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई फील that the person who is traveling in a local train coming from Virar every morning after making his food or after helping his wife to clean up the house or clean up the kitchen, cooking the food with his wife, waking up the children and do all the stuff in the household, and then get out to take the train to go to his office at Churchgate. You know, I find this quite fascinating. I don't think there is a bigger hero than a middle class common man. They are the heroes of everyday life. They are conquering that day every day. So yeah, there is a reverence for them. To give an answer to your question, in the end, I would say that I can play the elite very beautifully. It's just that they have to be part of a great script.
Yeah, like Jugnuma.
Like Jugnuma, yeah.
Yeah, he plays the owner of a giant orchard and estate, and he plays it beautifully.
Yeah, we did that story yesterday.
Very
Yeah.
beautifully.
Okay, yeah. So, it's a Maharashtrian character. So, was there any effort to bring that Maharashtrian accent और वो पूरा जो
और रोज रहते हैं हम लोग महाराष्ट्र में ही रहते हैं हम लोग, बॉम्बे में रहते हैं. सो मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम द पीपल दैट यू आर इंटरेक्टिंग विद सबके सब ऐसे ही बात करते हैं. अब तो मेरी हिंदी भी ख़त्म हो गई है.
पिजन लैंग्वेज में
अभी मेरी हिंदी भी जो है मुंबईया हो चुकी है या महाराष्ट्रियन एक्सेंट के साथ हो चुकी है. तो ये एक कॉन्शियस एफर्ट रहता है कि मेरी हिंदी जो है ना ज़्यादा बर्बाद ना हो यार. कम से कम उसमें हिंदी रहनी चाहिए, क्योंकि प्ले जो हम लोग रोल प्ले करते हैं हिंदी फिल्मों में करते हैं. सो लेकिन इवेंचुअली ये होता है कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, जब आप उनसे डील करते हैं तो उनकी हिंदी मुंबईया हिंदी है पूरे तरीके से. आपकी वाइफ भी जो है वो जब हिंदी बोलने की कोशिश करती तो वो दिल्ली वाली, वो भी मुंबईया हो चुकी है. एंड योर स्टाफ दे आर ऑल फ्रॉम हियर मोस्ट. सो you are left with no choice. Then you are working with a director who is a Marathi guy. You are working in a production which is owned by Om Raut. So yeah, our day-to-day life is such that कि अब हमको ऑब्जर्व करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसको अलग से एफर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो हम लोग तो मुंबई में ही रहते हैं, तो हमारा उसके लिए हम इतनी ज़्यादा उसी लहजे में बात करने लगे हैं, क्योंकि हमको कम्युनिकेट करना होता है यहाँ के लोगों से. तो हमारी हिंदी भी अभी वैसी हुई. और बट चिन्मय के साथ क्या था कि जब मराठी वर्ड में कुछ यूज़ करूँ तो वो एकदम सही होना चाहिए. तो वहाँ पे चिन्मय यूज्ड टू हेल्प मी विद ऑल द मराठी वर्ड्स. एंड ऑल्सो क्या है कि चिन्मय एक्टर है, तो बहुत सारा हेल्प हो जाता था वहाँ पे चीज़ों को परफॉर्म करने में. लैंग्वेज को लेकर के हो, कोई किसी जेस्चर को लेकर के हो, किसी सीन में कहीं ब्लॉक आ रहा है तो उसको तोड़ने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प होता है.
Now coming to you, sir, this character is someone who has been read by like different generations. Like even when we were in school, we used to somehow ये जो गैंगस्टर है वो बहुत, उन्होंने एक पूरे 90s और अर्ली 2000 के जनरेशन को बहुत ही फैसिनेट किया है, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
इवन
80s राइट या हाँ. तो बिकॉज मुझे 90s में पता चला, सो आई टॉक अबाउट 90s. तो वाज देयर अ कॉन्शियस एफर्ट कि आप यू हैव टू ब्रिंग समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा ऑन द स्क्रीन उस कैरेक्टर को लेकर या इस पूरे किरदार को लेकर?
No, I don't think so. I know that there have been so many representations of the character before in a variety of different things. Hollywood, Bollywood, spoofs, all of it. But the script is so clear that it's Inspector Jende's journey. So we're following that journey most of all. So most of what I did is did some research on the person, watched interviews, as many interviews as I could get, because I found that to be the best. And I didn't watch any other previous representation of him. None. So I don't have a clue how mine compares to theirs. I actually honestly don't know. I just tried to be true to the original source material as opposed to interpretations that have happened along the way. And his interviews were the best for that, so I just did that.
Did you see that documentary which is already on Netflix?
Documentary on?
Netflix, I think there is one.
It's not a documentary, it's a series. It's a proper
Yeah.
The Serpent.
Stop it.
The Serpent.
Serpent,
Yeah,
right.
It's not a documentary.
Yeah.
It's an interpretation of the character by an actor and a director. So I didn't want to watch that.
Yeah,
I didn't
that's
want
an
to watch an
interpretation.
interpretation. I wanted to watch the real guy. So I just watched interviews. And there are many, many interviews you can find of him online.
Yeah.
That's what I stuck to.
Yeah. So, this question, whenever I see you playing different kind of characters, you mostly, like, I'm not telling about each and every character, but if I talk about like percentage, so you mostly play urban character because obviously वो ज़्यादा suitable लगता है. Do you ever crave to play some very rustic, very desi, something that Saif Ali Khan did in Omkara, और वो पूरा का पूरा उनका career graph change हो गया था?
Yeah, yes, definitely. Definitely.
He's a brilliant actor. He will pull it off.
Yeah.
he
So
can
what
pull off
kind of
anything.
character? Yeah. So that's what I mean. अगर आपके दिमाग में चलता है कि हाँ मुझे इस तरह का character मिले तो मैं play करूँ, so I would like to know about that.
Definitely, I would
No,
love
so
to.
I'm asking if you can tell me about any one of those characters, किसी rustic character में अगर आपको किसी एक particular kind of character play करने का मिला, जैसे मैंने तो सैफ अली खान का example दिया ओमकारा का, but आपके side से मैं जानना चाहती हूँ.
No, there's nothing one particular character that I think to play, and I even I also don't watch things very often and think, oh, I wish I got that role, because again, it's an interpretation with a director and an actor, and I can't say that that's the one that I would like to do. I hope that the one is still to come, and it will come, and then I'll get a chance to do it.
Sir, talking about the research, because these kind of film, it requires a lot of research. So obviously online बहुत कुछ available है. आप जो पुलिस रिकॉर्ड में जो भी है जेंडे, इंस्पेक्टर जेंडे के बारे में, और आप खुद उनसे मिले. What about चार्ल्स शोबराज साइड, आपने और कहाँ से वो इकट्ठा किया है apart from that online?
In fact, ironically, the criminal has been documented more than the cop.
Right.
So उनके बारे में किताबें लिखी जा चुकी हैं, उनके बारे में डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज हैं, जैसा आपने कहा कि एक सीरीज़ बनी है, एक फिल्म बनी है. सो दैट डिड नॉट टेक अ लॉट ऑफ मतलब फाइंडिंग आउट और स्काउटिंग के कहाँ से मिलेगा. एंड एज फार एज मिस्टर झेंडे इज़ कंसर्न्ड, ही हिमसेल्फ इज़ देयर अ रिच सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. और दूसरी बात, ये बहुत अच्छी बात जो थी कि उनकी फैमिली ने उस टाइम के जिस भी अखबार में इस पूरे इंसिडेंट के बारे में या उनके बारे में जो भी छप के आया है, उसके पेपर कटिंग्स की एक पूरी फाइल बना के रखी थी, आउट ऑफ लव टुवर्ड्स अ मैन. सो व्हेन आई एंड मिस्टर ओम राउत वेंट टू मीट हिम, he just pulled out a file and kept in front of us कि ले लो यार तुमको जो लेना है. It was like that, and I was not prepared for that. तो मेरे पास अपना एक फ़ोन था पुराना, I just started clicking pictures out of whatever we could gather. So our research in that way, मुझे कहीं बहुत जगह जाना नहीं पड़ा, क्योंकि जिस बंदे के बारे में हम ये फिल्म बना रहे थे वो खुद थे हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन देने के लिए. और जहाँ तक पीरियड का रिसर्च है कि एक 1986 का वो पीरियड है, तो वो तो मेरी मेमोरी से आया है, हमारे जो डीओपी है उनके मेमोरी से आया है. सो दैट हैज़ कम आउट ऑफ मेमोरी मोर देन द रिसर्च.
Because there is so much to this. Obviously, I know the hero is Inspector Zende और ये उनकी जर्नी की कहानी है. But उनकी जर्नी में obviously he is chasing Karl Bhojraj.
हाँ.
There's so much available. अभी आपने खुद बोला. Did you ever think that it can be made into series? Because फिल्म में बहुत सिमट के ना रह जाए वो.
नहीं, मतलब जो कहानी कहनी थी वो एक 1 hour 47-50 minutes की फिल्म में कह पा रहे हैं, और बहुत अच्छे तरह से कह पा रहे हैं. मतलब अच्छे तरह से इन द सेंस कि हमको जितनी कहनी थी उतनी हमने कह दी. अब लोगों के ऊपर है उन्हें कैसी लगती है, बट मुझे ऐसा कहीं भी नहीं लगा, क्योंकि हर कहानी की वो डिमांड होती है. जैसे कुछ कहानियाँ आप जब समझते हो या जब आपको पता चलती हैं तो यू से कि नहीं यार ये दिस कैन नॉट बी मेड इन टू अ 2-hour film. And thankfully now we have the luxury of presenting a story in a series जो शायद आज से 20 साल पहले नहीं थी हमारे पास. मतलब आज से 20 साल पहले सिर्फ फिल्म या तो फिर टेलीविज़न सीरियल बनाना पड़ता था जो उतना मतलब उस तरह की कहानियों को
Part 1, Part 2, Part 3.
वो तो वो चलन भी उस वक्त नहीं था. बहुत कम ऐसी फिल्में हैं अगर आप अर्ली 2000s में देखेंगे जिनके सीक्वल्स बने हैं. बट नाउ दैट वी हैव दिस ऑप्शन. लेकिन इस कहानी के लिए मुझे नहीं ऐसा लगा कि इसकी सीरीज़ होनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये एक 16 मार्च से लेके 6 अप्रैल ये उस 21 दिनों की कहानी है. सो उसके लिए मेरी वो 2 घंटे की फिल्म काफ़ी है.
Sir, these days, like lot of actors of your era, they are doing romantic roles.
Who are they?
माधवन सर उनके नेटफ्लिक्स पे ही आई थी.
Madhavan was he started as a romantic.
So there's one term that I really got, it was really a nice term when he spoke about age appropriate romantic roles.
Right.
Are you also, wanting, do you want to do any kind of romantic role?
We
any
have quite a
sorts of-
romantic dance in the. I think you should wait and see.
I mean, look, definitely you can't imagine Madhavan or me, doing a 25-year-old falling in love with a 20 years old girl, right? You can't. I mean, will definitely not. I personally will not touch and take that kind of a risk in this life. But if there is a good script, which is the character and the role is age appropriate, why not? The love doesn't limit itself to the age, right? So if there's a very fine script which has a great romantic story about two middle-aged aging people, why not?
एक बहुत आपने बहुत ही मज़ेदार बात कही थी कि you don't observe somebody like whenever you are preparing for some character, तो किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक ऑब्जर्व करने से आपको ये डर लगता है you might get beaten up.
Okay.
So has it ever happened that you got scolded, beaten up or anything? ये दोनों के लिए सवाल है.
नहीं, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा awkward, मेरी आदत है ये, मेरी आदत है. I mean, I'm guilty here. मेरी आदत है जब कुछ चीज़ देखता हूँ तो मेरी आँख जो है ना suddenly जो है I just get stuck.
Yeah.
Okay. And this has been a very bad habit. Though it was completely harmless, I am observing two people. Suppose I am observing a couple there, and I'm finding it quite interesting, the conversation that is going on, the body language, and I'm just observing, and I'm stuck there. I'm not doing anything. I'm just observing. And that happened in London, in a mall. And suddenly the guy came to me and said, "What's
What are
your
you looking
problem?
at? Yeah.
What's your problem?" I said, "Nothing. Why are you staring at us?" Nothing. I was not staring at you. No. That made us uncomfortable. Oh my God! And luckily my wife, the nick of time she arrived with her clothes that she shopped with my child, and I got saved. Believe me. So it's
Unconscious.
It's unconscious.
I'm a
completely.
complete voyeur. I mean, I would if they wouldn't look back at me, I would keep staring for a while. It just happened. Sahana, I was just watching Sahana as she was looking at her nails.
Yeah.
And she was waiting for the thing to start, and she was playing with this thing. And then I was just watching it, and then I was like, okay, look away. You have to look. And then she looked up and caught me. So then I imitated that I was just watching this. I wasn't doing anything else. It has to be clear.
The best place to observe, I personally feel that the best place to observe people is the bus stop.
Oh, so good.
It's so amazing, and you can create a backstory on your own. Just people standing and waiting for the bus. If you look at them from a distance, it's a whole lot of different game altogether.
Yeah.
And as an actor, that can be a great exercise, that each and every one that you look at, you can actually see them and make your own story, keeping that guy in the center. It's so lovely. I just, and I have seen many of the breakups happening in Delhi, happening at the bus stop where the girl is crying or the boy is crying, please don't leave me, don't. There's some breakup happening there. And you see really lives changing at the bus stop.
The entire world is
Yeah.
there.
People in transit,
Yeah.
bus stops,
Yeah.
trains, airports.
Yeah.
It's nice to
Yeah.
watch people.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Before we wrap up, final words from you for your project.
Please watch Inspector Jende on Netflix.
Netflix for.
Netflix or Phakta Netflix.
Netflix for.
From 5th September onwards.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.